Trees can be planted along the field's edges as windbreaks. The world population is growing, and with it, the demand for food. More and more forests will be cleared for farming. This problem is especially acute in tropical latitudes. The rainforest floor is poor in nutrients, but rich in oxygen. That makes it unsuitable for industrial agriculture. Colombia has cleared thousands of square kilometers of rainforest to make way for palm oil plantations. Palm oil may be healthy and useful for refining cosmetics or making biofuels. But once the soil is depleted by the palm tree monocultures, the planters move on and clear more land. But there is another way. Ecological farmers plant many different crops in the same ground to help balance out soil use. All kinds of plants can grow in between the palm trees. Fertilizer can be made from byproducts of the plantation's own production. That eliminates the need to clear new land and helps preserve the forest and its biodiversity. Only if farmers care for the land they've got will there be a future for both man and beast.
Right, so what kind of human activity did we see in this video? Farming and there's one more at the end. No, there wasn't. Deforestation, CJ. Cool. Can you guys quickly turn together? Can I have someone going to report back? Can I have a scribe as well? So one person is going to write, and the other person is going to report back. It's called a scribe and a reporter. I'm giving you 3 to 5 minutes. You can write on a piece of paper. I'll ask you to take a piece of paper out.
Farmers who have fields on hillsides have to struggle with water erosion. They clear trees to gain space so they can plant crops and raise livestock. This process is already far advanced on Myanmar's inland. Farmers on the hillside of area the land and lake is silting up. With water many of the famous hill houses and the locals are still used as primary food source. They can't live without water. Some initiatives that started outside once initiatives to plant fast-growing trees.
Lori, I hope that dance is about the work.
Another is to build terraces
I literally have 4
hold the
minutes left.
soil on hillside fields. Erosion can also be a problem. The fields are wide and there are edges of trees. The fertile topsoil will soon be gone with the wind. Georgia, like many other eastern bloc countries, has to contend with the legislative Soviet collective
Because the trees are given.
Our plant stretches away to the horizon, and winds often reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers an hour. The deeper the soil is plowed, the faster the nutrients in the soil are depleted. New kinds of machines can help. They keep soil destruction to a minimum. Trees can be planted along the field's edges as windbreaks. The world population is growing, and with it, the demand for food, more forests will be cleared for fire. This is especially key for agriculture. The rainforest will already consume trees, but rich in oxygen that makes it unsuitable for industrial agriculture. Colombia has cleared thousands of square kilometers of rainforest to make palm oil plantations. Palm oil may be useful for refining cosmetics or making biofuels. But once the soil is depleted by all three monocultures, the planters move on and clear more land. But there is another way. Ecological farmers plant different crops in the same ground and soil. Comparison plants can grow in between palm trees. Fertilizer usually from that eliminates the need to clear new land and preserve forest and its biodiversity. Holiday farmers care about the Hi, I'm Jared, welcome to Fun Science.
The more you see that always
All over the world, farmers who have fields on hillsides have to struggle with water erosion. They clear trees and green space so they can plant crops and fertilize them. When the field is gone, there's nothing left to play with topsoil. Topsoil is the most fertile. This process is already far advanced.
We have 1 minute left.
Farmers on the hillside are losing something up. Many of these still houses can hardly be reached. And the farmers are still listening. Several initiatives that science captured this development. One solution is to plant fast-growing trees among crops.
You have 30 seconds. You guys done?
Another initiative is to
Who's reporting on this side?
countries has to contend with the legacy of Soviet cropland stretches away to the horizon, and this is often reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers an hour. The deeper the soil is plowed, the faster it They keep soil disruption to a minimum. Trees can be planted along field edges the world population is growing, and with the demand for food, more forests will be cleared. This problem is especially
Okay, let's get ready to report back. Can all the reporters? We're going to start with group 2. Okay. Okay. Group 2, can everyone be quiet while group 2 reports back? the floor is yours, ma'am. Everybody else has to be quiet.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Nani Boza. I'm from Group 2. We were given questions 2 to answer. And question 2A is, what impact does deep plunging have on the soil? And us as a group answered, the deeper people plug, the faster. The deeper people plow, the faster the nutrients get depleted, and it makes the soil vulnerable to erosion. Sorry for the spelling mistakes. And question B.
Okay, question B
is name 2 solutions to wind erosion. And the first answer is trees can be planted to slow down erosion, and new machines which stops soil from erosion. Thank you.
Thank you. Be nice. Be nice. I didn't even get that right. Alright, can we please have group 1 reporting back with question 3? Alright, the floor belongs to Jordan now.
Hello. Hello, my name is Jordan Bullen.
Which group are you representing, Jordan? Which group is that? Group 1.
I represent Group 1.
Thank you.
I am going to tell you the answers for why are more and more forests being cleared for farming, and how do ecological farmers balance out the use of soil.
Cool.
3A, we as a group, not Mr. CJ, decided because there are more and more people in the world and we need more space to plant crops so we can actually eat. And then for the second one, we decided they plant different kinds of plants to balance the soil and left out soil from Christopher.
Okay.
Soil was the plants from fertilization.
Alright, thank you, Jordan. Now can we have group 3 with question 1?
Like a proper human being.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm from Group 3 and our questions.
Guys, someone's on the floor. Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
from Group 3 and our questions were, which agents of erosions do farmers with field on hillside struggle with? Our answer was water. The second question is, how do the farmers create space for cropping and grazing, and does that increase soil erosion? If yes, how? Our answer was they clear trees, and yes, because the trees hold the soil together. Our third question is, what solutions are being created to decrease the soil erosion accelerated by water? Our answer was they plant fast-growing trees and they build small dams and terraces/dams.
Sure. Thank you. Well done, very nice. Overall, the questions were correct. Because also what you showed by answering the question a bit differently and not just like how it was written or said in the video, is that you have an internalized understanding of what has been asked of you. So you're able to articulate yourself in a manner which expresses your understanding of the work, which is good. You guys all need to work on your presentation skills. Pumlani, you had the best introduction. Well done. Jordan, if you're working in a group, you don't expose who said what, did what. It doesn't. We don't want to know that. We just want to know what the group said. You're a collective, not individuals. Onayang, the projection of the voice. You need to work on the projection of the voice. All of you need to work I ask you a question, you don't give me one, you don't say blah 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 the question, wind, water, overgrazing. You say the agent of erosion that farmers with fields and hillsides struggle with is water, right? So this will help you in how you articulate yourself in your writing and in your oral presentation. Unless someone says to you, name. The question is name. Then then you name it. You just give him, one answer. But in a situation like this, when you're reporting back, you would find a way to articulate yourself through full sentences. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much. You guys did absolutely well. Here are the answers. Which agent of erosion do farmers with fields on hillsides struggle with? Water. So, wait. Let's just go back a second before I go through this. Remember we said that the human activity here was farming, particularly crop farming, and then we said it was also deforestation, right? But many of these questions are based on the impact that natural processes or agents of erosion have on the human activity. So the human activity makes the soil vulnerable to a further erosion of the soil by natural agents of erosion, which are wind, water, air, right? So again, you're realizing how water or natural agents of erosion and human activity collectively contribute to the erosion of soil. Does everyone understand that? Could someone say it again in their own way? Someone from each group. Njabulo. Guys, we have 4 minutes left. Njabulo.
We're describing how the erosions, they affect the human activities and
Okay, I'm coming back. Think about it. I'm coming back. I'm coming this side. Let up. You do. If you guys like try this out, I'm gonna bake for you guys at the end of my time here.
bake what?
Someone from this group? I'd like you guys to repeat how I said natural processes of erosion go hand in hand with human activity and its impact on erosion. Okay, Tiffany? Okay, Tiffany. I'm feeling Tiffany. Guys, we have 2 minutes left.
Okay, so
Tiffany talking to the whole class.
the water contributes to the soil erosion because there's no rain.
Okay, so what was the human activity? And then what was you were right. What was the human contribution? Building. And what was the natural process of erosion? Water. The agent water contributed, intensified the erosive activity that was caused by human activity. Right, I'm going back to Njabulo. Can you explain what I just said?
The farming increases the human
No.
activities
Which is the farming, yes.
like
Okay, the human activity, which is the farming, okay. And then what's the natural process of weathering that's taking place, or erosion that's taking place. So you have the human activity, which is the farming, and that is accelerated. The erosion that comes from that is accelerated by the water or the wind. All right, Lita. You guys are not getting brownies, guys. Okay, so which agent of erosion? Yes, we have.
So what you're saying is that if some physical processes and natural processes work together to
basically increase the erosion. Example being if you building
Okay.
There's a using it as well. So if you're building something on a flat land,
Okay.
and then it starts raining next year or something,
Okay.
then the water will move something from the soil.
That is there.
Yes.
Through runoff.
Yes.
CJ?
The more human activity happens,
Yes.
the more the natural activity. For instance, when you farm it exposes the soil and the water.
Settle down. Seriously speaking. Yes, Ben?
The more we farm, it exposes the soil and the water, so the more easily the water can sweep away.
That was simple, wasn't it? Right? You guys all got it right. That's simple, right? Okay, yes, you do get your buckets. You guys can pack up your bags. Hold on, this is my last class with you, so just hold on 1 second. Thank you very much for being cooperative. Thank you very much for giving me the respect. Can I please have the same activity and participation in history though? I don't know what's going on with you guys in history. I'll see you guys in history on Monday. Otherwise, thank you so much. If you guys do want these answers, I can make them available just for the sake of extra information. Thank you. Yeah.